Hey guys, this is our story, day 2 of Jonah. This is found in the book of Jonah, chapters 1 and 2. All right, so has your mom ever asked you to go tell your brother or sister something? If so, yesterday we talked about how that makes you a messenger. When you go tell somebody something for someone, that means you're a messenger. And so sometimes God had special messengers called prophets. Jonah was a prophet. And one day God asked Jonah to go to Nineveh to tell the people to stop doing bad things. But Jonah did not want to go. He didn't like the people of Nineveh. And so instead, Jonah ran from God. He went to the port and hopped on a ship. The ship he chose was headed in the opposite direction, Tarshish. When Jonah got on the boat, instead of listening to God, he was so sad because he knew that he was disobeying God. When Jonah got on the ship, he was so sad that he laid down and slept. While he was asleep, God sent a terrible storm. The storm was so bad, and the sailors were afraid. The sailors had never been in such a fierce storm, and they started throwing cargo and everything that was on the ship overboard so that they did not sink. The winds blew harder and harder and kept getting worse. They were so scared that they started calling on their gods, but the storm did not stop. The sailors saw Jonah asleep and said, "This storm is so bad. How could anyone sleep? Wake up, the ship is sinking." The sailors said, "Wake up and pray to your God. Tell him to help us." But Jonah was too ashamed to pray to God because he knew he was running from him. He knew the storm was his fault. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow.